And I think that because she had listened to us in our podcast shows, she understood that if she asked me for 3 to 4 minutes of silence, that she knew exactly what she was going to get because of our consistency and how we talk to each other.
Nice.
And I wanted to point that out because it is something that people listening to this have to consider about themselves. When somebody really just wants me to listen to what they're feeling or what they're experiencing, they don't want me to fix it or to give them any cliches, but they're simply asking for me to be present. Am I? And when we were in that silence, Kelly, I said we maintained eye contact. We sipped our tea together and we sat in silence with no level of discomfort. And that can take practice for some people who think eye contact. I would have been sweating right there. No conversation, I would have fidgeted. I would have grabbed my phone. I would have been like, okay, let's get going. We got to move. And so what I'm doing here is I'm asking people to really consider when they're listening to this today, what is my response when my child, my coworker, my boss, my employee, my friend, my partner, whoever in your life is asking for your time, for your energy, for your presence, and nothing else. And you are so uncomfortable that you don't know what to do with that. Or can you just sit there today and go, hell, I had no idea. I just didn't even know that's what they were asking for because I got so trained to offer all the other things. I could do that happily.
You could be listening right now. Coffee with the Sarlos airs early for our patrons on patreon.com/the Sarlos.